Welcome back. The Nationalist Congress Party supported the demands made by the Chikali Villagers Action Committee to withdraw with immediate effect the approvals granted in favour of setting up Pinky Shipyard at Chikali in order to protect the biodiversity heritage site.
Why is it necessary to have a very big shipyard in a place which is ecologically fragile? This is my simple question. Now the people of the area are resisting it. And as long as the people of the area resist it, they will have my full support. And I will see that everything is done to prevent a project of this nature coming up in this eco-sensitive area.
Briefing media persons, NCP President Dr. Wilfred D'Souza accused promoters for reviving project without obtaining proper permissions from the government departments.
I asked the Pollution Control Board, because they were with me at that time, that whether a permission has been taken, and they said no permission has yet been taken. They said many years ago they had taken a permission for putting up a barge repair shop, which later on they asked for an extension. They had been granted permission to put a barge repair shop. And then when they asked for an extension to a shipyard, it was emphatically denied by the Pollution Control Board.
He pointed out that there were some specific conditions laid down by the Goa Coastal Zone Management which they had to compile before starting this project.
Goa Coastal Zone Management in March of this year has given them permission to have a shipyard there, provided that, and these are the lighters, all the provisions of CRZ notification 1991 should be strictly complied with. Prior to commencement of the development work on the ground, it will be incumbent upon the applicant to obtain the following: approval of Town and Country Planning Office from the planning angle, construction license from the village panchayat, consent to establish NOC from Goa State Control Pollution Board, which was denied earlier, NOC approval from Captain of Post Government of Goa.
Dr. D'Souza also said that the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has assured him to look into this matter.
I am telling you the facts. I rang the Chief Minister. Chief Minister told me, I know nothing about this. I will call for a report, I will study it, and I will share it with you.
Consultant for the Chikali Villagers Action Committee Manoj Borkar disclosed the reasons for opposing this project.
But we are only fighting it out for the simple reason that we need to conserve this, as Dr. very rightly put it, something which qualifies to be listed as a biodiversity heritage site. We need to conserve this for three simple reasons. One, let me reiterate what Dr. Willie has said. It's very rich in biodiversity with some very unique forms. He's mentioned fiddler crabs. We've got great variety of fishes, mollusks and so on and so forth. Two, importantly, it supports a biodiversity based livelihood option for the villagers who are unskilled and untrained. And we for one do not really know that if at all a shipyard, as is promised by some vested interests, what kind of employment can be offered to these unskilled, untrained locals in the upcoming enterprise, and what are the merits of that. I mean, we would have to really do a sort of a balance sheet. Three, very importantly, with a particular reference to that window pane oyster, placenta, it qualifies for protection and conservation in toto. When I say in toto, I mean it's not only the species per se, but the total habitat has to be conserved.
Time for a short break. You're with Goa 365.